Hey guys, Jeff Danker here with Buckventures, coming into Academy for the hunter's wish list, or should I say, my wish list. So you got your lace-ups here, and here's the perfect gift for that tree stand hunter. Grab us an outdoor edge knife and sharpener. The perfect gift for any hunter. The game winner pop-up, it's that. Oh, there's a scope. Yeah, I'm gonna take this right now. There's one thing that might be better than the hunt is cooking the perfect backstrap. Oh yeah, we're doing this. I'm all smiles today. Uh-oh. A little help? Stop right here, get plenty of camo gift cards, and make sure and get the picture of the deer with it. If you want to make that hunter happy in your life, make sure and go to academy.com. Go to your local Academy Sports and Outdoor store and do your shopping. Merry Christmas to you, and may God bless you.